Okay guys, this is just a video to sort of go through my Lego sculpture following my procedural text. So you will have probably found writing your procedural text for your Lego sculptures pretty hard. You've got to be quite descriptive and explaining exactly where you want people to place the pieces. And that's probably usually when you get Lego instructions, they are diagrams, they are pictures, because they are actually a really good way of following or explaining how to put the Lego together. I wanted you to try and do it in a word form and a procedural text form, basically to help people or to help you break down a process. So I'm going to basically create my model now using my procedural text. Firstly though, I'm going to introduce all the different pieces. So our Lego pieces basically have these what I call Lego circles on them. So this is what we call a 4x4 green plate. It's got 4 Lego circles by 4 Lego circles. We've then also got a orange 2x2. It's got 2 Lego circles by 2 Lego circles, and it's a down slope. There's a slope down on the piece, and the click-in piece is at the bottom. Next piece is just a simple 2x1 orange brick. Now we have 4 of this next piece. This is a black 2x2 upslope, because it's got the piece to click in at the bottom and the slope is going up. That's 4 of those. Then this is a 2x3 downslope. Got the downslope there, and it's a black one. And this is also a black 2x2 black downslope. This is a 2x1 black brick. We have here a 2x4 yellow downslope. And here we've got 2 pieces which are 1x1 headlight bricks. You can see through. They've got little holes in them, and those little holes are to hold things on, and they're going to hold on our last piece, which are 2 of these, or last pieces, which are these. These are our 1x1 plates that basically look like eyes, circular plates that look like eyes. Okay, so step 1 of my procedural text is pick up the green 4x4 plate and place it in front of you. Next step, step 2, take the orange 2x2 downslope and place it in the center of the green plate with the slope sloping to the right. So that goes there, push and attach. Okay. Then take the 2x1 orange brick, place the clip-on bit at the bottom on top of the 2 orange Lego circles. Step 4, take 1 of the black 2x2 upslope pieces and place it on top, or place the gap at the bottom onto the 2 orange Lego circles. Make sure that the upslope is facing to the right. Step 5. Take another of the black 2x2 upslope pieces and place it on top, and place the gap over the top of the 2 black circles that do not have Lego written on. So these 2 have Lego written on, these 2 don't have Lego written on and are hollow. So we attach the gap at the bottom onto there, making sure the slope is pointing to the right. Step 6, take another of the black 2x2 slope pieces and place the gap at the bottom of the 2 black circles with Lego written on them on the bottom piece. So that's this piece, got the Lego written on. Make sure the slope is facing to the left. Step 7, you take the last 2x2 black upslope piece and place the gap at the bottom of the 2 black circles furthest to the right. So 2 black circles furthest to the right will be these 2. Make sure that the upslope is facing to the right. So that one needs to go there. Okay. Then step 8, take the 2x3 downslope piece and place this over all of the black circles on the lower black pieces. Make sure the downslope is sloping to the left. So that's going to go that way. There we go. Next piece is our 2x2 black downslope. and place this on top of the 2x2 up piece that you attached in step 7. So that's a good way of sort of working your way around having to explain so much. I know I attached this piece at step 7, so at this is now step 9. I have to attach that on the top, making sure the slope faces to the right. Step 10, take the black 2x1 brick and place the gap at the bottom on top of the 2 Lego circles on top of the black 2x3 downslope. So this is a 2x3 downslope. So that needs to go on the 2 Lego circles on top of that. There we go. Now our next piece, step 11, take the yellow 2x4 downslope piece. Make sure the slope is pointing to the right, like that. The gap at the bottom on the left side, so the gap on the bottom on the left side, should be placed over the 4 black Lego circles, with the left-hand side, so left-hand side of the yellow piece, lining up with the flat side, so you get the left flat side of the yellow piece lining up with the flat left side of the black piece. So you see how much explanation has to go in for a simple just putting it on. Like, it's very, very complicated when you come into the words, but you can break it down so people can understand and complete the process. So step 12, take the two black headlight pieces, place the gap at the bottom over the yellow Lego circles. So one at the front, one at the back. Both need to have the headlight circles sides pointing to the right. So pointing to the right again, the headlight circles. Then step 13, take both of the 1x1 eye plates and attach one to each of the headlight circles of the pieces attached in step 12. So headlight circle there, headlight circle there, and there you have it. You have your Mr Fraser's little sculpture all finished, following the procedural text. But as you can see, there's so many words there to try and explain what is so much easier to do with a diagram or a picture like they do in the Lego instruction books. So